Okay, they already know you from the last video, I think. We're having a 4th of July party on the beach!
It is also very fun.
Yeah,
We're actually at the beach. We're eating cake right now.
yeah. And I'm showing you guys.
It's delayed. I'm sorry. There. It's in front of you and you and me. I'm having a fireworks. It's stuck. Like.
Whoa! Whoa! I said it before it did it. I said I'll do it in public.
Hey, put a camera on me real quick.
You?
Come subscribe to my channel.
Okay. Sure they will. I think they will. They might. I don't know. I can't make them do the channel. But they can do it if they want it. If they want to see DIYs, they can go to your channel. Because I have no idea what I'm doing on this channel. I just do randomness. I draw, and then I do randomness. It's just mine.
Let me see. I think
That's what mine was. Just turn
to
it.
have one of those phones. I think because there's storage on
Or mine was doing it a while ago. You just have to turn it on and turn it back off.
it. Yeah, try that.
No, you didn't. I did.
One of my friends taught me how to use that.
Woo! Look. Can she sleep over at ours?
Are they doing it out there in the water?
Yeah, they are.
Can I get this towel, bud?
They do it in the water too. I'm sorry, guys, if it's too loud. But
Hey guys, we're going to spend a little bit of time. And right now I'm getting it.
But don't get
And we're going to get a condo. I think after this party we're going to go back to the condo.
yeah. So bye, guys. Say bye.
Have like
Say bye.
condo tour.
Yeah.